So what exactly did Mistral ship? They've released a brand new open source speech generation model. And we're not talking about a simple text-to-speech tool. This is a full-blown voice AI system designed specifically for enterprises who want to build voice agents. Think AI-powered sales reps, customer support bots, and engagement tools that can actually hold a conversation, all powered by a model you can run yourself. No API lock-in, no per-character pricing, just raw open source voice intelligence. Let's talk about who's sweating right now. 11 Labs, valued at over $1 billion, built their empire on hyper-realistic AI voice cloning. DeepGram has been the go-to for enterprise speech recognition and synthesis. And then there's OpenAI, whose voice mode in ChatGPT had everyone gasping when it launched. These are serious, well-funded players. And Mistral just walked into their arena with an open source weapon. The key differentiator: enterprises don't have to hand over their data or their budget to a third-party API. That's a massive deal for industries like finance, healthcare, and legal, where data privacy is non-negotiable. Here's where it gets really interesting for developers and businesses. Closed source voice models mean you're on someone else's timeline, someone else's pricing, and someone else's terms of service. The moment Mistral makes this open source, the entire calculus changes. Startups can build on top of it without burning through API credits. Enterprises can fine-tune it on their own data, their brand voice, their industry jargon, their tone. And researchers can audit exactly how it works. Open source has already disrupted text-based AI with models like LLaMA and Mistral's own previous releases. Now they're bringing that same philosophy to voice. And historically, that's how entire ecosystems get built. Let's get concrete. Imagine a SaaS company that wants an AI sales agent that calls leads, qualifies them, and books demos, all with a natural, human-sounding voice. Or a telecom company deploying a customer service voice bot that handles thousands of calls simultaneously without a single human agent. Or even a healthcare provider needing a hyper-compliant voice assistant they can self-host. These aren't future scenarios. They're what enterprises are actively building right now. And with Mistral's model, the barrier to entry just dropped dramatically. The companies that move fast on this could have a serious competitive advantage within months. Zoom out for a second. This isn't just about one model. Mistral has been on an absolute tear, punching way above their weight against OpenAI and Google with a fraction of the resources. Their strategy is clear. Release powerful open source models, build credibility with developers, and then monetize through enterprise services and cloud partnerships. Adding speech generation to their portfolio makes Mistral a one-stop shop for AI capabilities. Text code, reasoning, and now voice. They're not just competing in one lane anymore. They're building the full stack, and with the open source community behind them, the moat gets deeper every single day. The voice AI market is projected to hit tens of billions of dollars in the next few years, and it's about to get a lot more competitive. When a well-respected open source player enters a space, prices drop, quality rises, and innovation accelerates across the board. 11 Labs and DeepGram will need to double down on what makes them unique. Their ecosystems, their specialized features, their enterprise relationships. OpenAI has the brand power, but Mistral has the open source loyalty. The bottom line? Businesses building voice AI products today have more options and more leverage than ever before. And that is a very good thing,